Now CINC. Now CINC, you have to do it with the help of a small little mathematical formula, okay? Because if you will not do the proper mathematical formula, you will go wrong. Okay? So, see, let us assume that the tax liability is X, total tax liability is X, okay? Based on that A and B working, you already know whatever the rate of tax and all that will be applicable, okay? So, it is tax is X, okay? Now, I am doing CINC working. Assuming that the net tax payable, which is paid by the ONGC, is X, okay? So, my gross income is going to be 90 plus X. You have to solve it with the help of this mathematical equation only, okay? And if you fail to do or use this mathematical equation and try to use the shortcut, you will end up with a wrong answer. Let me tell you that, okay? 90 plus X, okay? This is my gross income multiplied by 10%. This is going to be my net income. Is that very much clear? Okay, this is going to be my net income. Okay, on the net income, I will multiply it with my net rate of tax. So I already know the rate of tax, that is with applicable to the foreign company. On the rate, I know the applicable surcharge. Looking at this particular amount, approximately my income is going to be somewhere around 9 crore rupees, little bit of plus. Okay, so my income is between before 10 crores, I guess. So that is going to be, I know the surcharge at that particular case and applicable cess. Okay, so tax rate net multiplied by this particular equation, okay, is equal to X. So my tax liability X is equal to tax rate multiplied by 90 plus X, which is my gross income, multiplied by 10%, that is my presumptive tax rate. This equation, when I will solve, X is equal to this, okay, I will solve the X mathematically and get the amount of the tax liability, okay, and that much is the amount of the taxes which is to be paid by the ONGC, okay, to this government. Absolutely clear? Now, you just have to solve the equation.